My name's Chef Egg, and I want to give you the skills you need to succeed in the kitchen. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a homemade smoothie bowl. Now the first thing we have to do is make our smoothie. So we've got a blender over here with some ice in it. We are going to take these frozen berries over here. So it's a mix of berries that I got, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. I think this one actually has cherries in it as well. So we're gonna throw that in there, get that in there. I also have some frozen bananas. Use fresh or frozen, whatever you got, all good with me. Next up, we've got to sweeten this up a little bit, so I have some agave nectar that we're just gonna pour right in there. That looks awesome. And then we need this to move around, so we're gonna add a little water to this. Now we're gonna put the lid on, and very carefully we're gonna start this at low speed and then speed it up. This looks really, really good. So let's get cleaned up. And the thing about smoothie bowls is that you can add anything you like in them. So whatever you have that's in the pantry, the fridge, or the freezer, it's all good with me. So we're gonna take a bowl right here, and we're gonna pour some of our smoothie in there. There we go. Sometimes it needs a little help. We're gonna fill this up about halfway. There we go. We're gonna fill this up about halfway. That looks nice because we've gotta make room for all of the toppings that we're gonna put in there. So it looks really, really nice. Throw that over here. So as far as toppings go, I like to go simple. I like to add a little bit of chopped apple. I've got some sliced strawberries over here. That looks really, really beautiful. I like a little something crunchy in there. So we're gonna add a little bit of granola. And then I like the flaked coconut in here. So we're gonna put some of that shredded and flaked coconut. You know, keep it simple. Some people like a little peanut butter or almond butter. Some people like chocolate chips or a little drizzle of honey on top. I like to keep it simple myself. So this is how you make a homemade smoothie bowl. My name's Chef Egg, and I wanna give you the skills you need to succeed in the kitchen. Peace.